Oops. Yeah, there it is. So these are it. Beastly body. A big piece of chicken. Good morning, guys. It's about 5:40 right now in the morning. I'm up. I'm usually up by this time. I get up. I freshen up, drink my coffee, and do my workout and everything, and then head to office. So, you know, I'm making another vlog on my day-to-day life. I've updated my lifestyle a little bit, my fooding and workouts and everything. So I thought I'll make another vlog about that, right? So yeah, good morning again. This is what I usually do in the morning these days. Watch a nice podcast. You know, heat up some milk. You know, make sure my coffee is ready. Some coffee already pre-poured in here. Yep. So that. Waking up early really has its benefits, you know, like you wake up in a peaceful environment, you get to, you know, have peace of mind for a couple of hours before, you know, all the screaming and shouting starts, you know, the school and everything. So I recommend it. Anyone who wants to try waking up early, give it a go. It's one of the better things in life. So, good morning, guys, one more time, and cheers. Whoops, I forgot to vlog. So I started my workout. I'm doing my workout right now, but I totally forgot to vlog about it. So yeah, time lapse, please. I'm done with my initial cardio now. We'll do my Zumba. Today I'm planning to do a bit of extra cardio because of all the, you know, I had a bit extra yesterday. I am feeling some energy today, so I'm gonna do the Zumba too. So yeah, I guess I'll time lapse that too. Done with Zumba too. I know the time lapse looks a little funny, but you know, the Zumba is for 22 minutes and my initial cardio is for half an hour. So, but the time lapse shows that it's pretty quick. It looks really funny, and the angle of the camera wasn't right. But you know, I just wanted to do it for everyone to get a feeling of my initial cardio and Zumba, what I do in the morning. Anyways, time for me to get ready for office, go to office, and I totally forgot, but today we have fancy dress for smaller children, so it should be a good vlog because I'll show you guys around all the kids, you know, in so many different costumes. It will be nice to watch. So I'll see you there. Hey guys, so the Children's Day has started. Started the program. So we'll head there now to the Latika complex where we hold most of our program.
written by Mohanranga Dhoni. আমার গ্রামের পথে আমার গুজরা তোমরা প্যার করতে तुम्हारे घर. And the title of my story is Peace and Beauty. Once a merchant had Rabindranath Tagore. অন্ধকারের শিল থেকে একলাটি ওই দিক আলোর মতো ভাসিয়ে দিল আকাশ পথে. রাধাচূড়া শঙ্খ ঘোষ.
Brilliant program going on so far, recitation. These are the ones that we like most, the three of them sitting in the back.
নিজে না না টেক্সট না নিজে করেছে মানে না রেডি করি না তুমি রেডি করো
Very well.
you have done very well what's the name one thing is that some pronunciation.
So this was the fancy dress come recitation program. I think I found the recitation more fun. The fancy dress was cute, of course. So yeah, let's see how I did this. I'm not sure. Anyways, yeah. So with that, the recitation and fancy dress program is done. I'm gonna go have my first meal. I have a total of 3 meals in the day. This is gonna be my first one, so I'll show you what it is. Yeah, there it is. So before I show you my meal, like usually it's not compulsory that I to eat in the afternoon. Sometimes if I feel like really hungry, I eat in the morning itself, immediately after my workout. But one thing I make sure of is I take protein. I'll show you which protein I'm using right now. I take protein powder immediately after my workout so that I don't lose too much muscles. But for now, since I wasn't very hungry in the morning, so I took it a little late after the program. So this is my first meal.
Yep, this is it. 3 months ago, I would not be eating paratha. I don't eat paratha every day. It's usually normal roti. But today is a weekend. It's a Saturday, so I didn't say no to it. 3 months ago, I would have said no to this, but right now I don't mind. This is some dal from last night's dinner, which I had left over in the fridge, and this is a sabzi from today morning and some eggs. So this is not all the protein I eat.
I eat a lot more protein than this. This is just my first, solid protein of the day, just 4 eggs. But yeah, I'll show you how much more protein is there in all my meals together. I'll show you what my protein powder looks like these days, and also what I eat for just before going for my workout, and also what I eat for dinner. Right? All right. So bon appetit. Hey guys. I was in office all this time. I didn't vlog there because we had some work. Hey guys. So it's about 2:40 right now. It's time for my second meal, pre-workout meal. I'm gonna go to the gym soon, so I've made a routine of having a meal before going to the gym, so that while I'm working out, I have enough energy in my body, and my body creates enough fuel to create new muscles. So I've been doing that for the past few days. I'll show you what it looks like. So this is it, a big piece of chicken here, right here, and some white rice. These are simple meals and healthy meals, right? Because they help you. They're not very fat gaining, simple, easy to make, and good for your health also, right? All right, so getting ready for gym now. I'll show you what the supplements that I'm taking these days. Hold on. So yeah, these are it. This is my protein. This is a BCAA. It helps intra-workout, for faster recovery and for protein. It absorbs protein in your body faster. So this is a BCAA 6K, and this is a glutamine. So I mix them together in this bottle, and this is the protein that I'm using right now, because the other proteins that I use, Optimum Nutrition and stuff, they have become really expensive these days, and it's not sensible to buy it on a monthly basis because they're really expensive. So this is the first time I'm trying this particular protein. So let's see, I'm going to try it for a month or two and then see how it impacts my body, whether it's effective enough like the other ones, or maybe if not, then I'll try something else. So this is not a brand recommendation or something. This is just something me experimenting with a different kind of protein to make sure that I get the right nutrition and the right price, right? Yes, so I mixed 1 scoop of BCAA and glutamine into this. I put some water here, and this is for my protein. This is an iso protein, so I'm using this. The difference between iso proteins and normal whey proteins, just to let you guys know, iso protein has lesser carbs, and normal whey protein has slightly more carbs. I mostly use normal whey proteins these days, but this one came as an iso, so I thought might as well give it a go because it's slightly cheaper. So I thought I might as well buy, use it. Most other proteins, they're expensive because of the brand name, so that's why I wanted to give this one a go. So yeah, that's about it. Now I head to the gym. Hey guys, heading to the gym now. Already all set. Today's a Saturday. Usually on Saturdays I do mixed workouts. I do chest, biceps, shoulder, everything mixed. I did legs yesterday, luckily, so I don't have to do legs today. I'll touch my back also a little bit. So yeah, that. So ciao, see ya. Hey guys, what's up? So made it to the gym now. I'll show you what it looks from the outside and in. Hold on, give me a sec. Surprise, it's an empty gym today because it's a Saturday, and I sort of came here sort of early. I usually come by 5:30, something like that, but I decided to come early because I want to use the cables. These are the cables I want to use. And this right here is the gym. This place right here, this little place, for me is paradise. We are at 957 calories right now, 4:23 p.m. I am gonna end up burning quite a few calories today because I feel pumped. So yeah, let's see where it takes us. This is Koga, owner of Project Gym. Look at his beastly body. And this is us here. Hi, and this is Kato, the other co-owner of Prolific Gym. The merch are available right now on Insta. Check it out. And this is the gym, like I showed you. Okay, anyways, done with workout. I'll show you the total calorie count for today. About 1500 calories, which is pretty okay for today. So yeah, with that, I'll head back home soon. Hey guys, back home now. So with this, I'll pretty much have dinner and get some rest after some time, after taking a shower and everything. But one thing I want to show you is the scrambled eggs that I make. I always wanted to make a video on that, so I'll show you how I make it. It's completely just whites, not the yolks, and how I clear the whites and the yolks differently. So yeah, I'll show you, I'll make a video on that, and I'll show you what I eat for dinner, and then yeah, after that I'll end this one. All right. So we have some dal and rice here, some greens, and my egg whites right here. So I'm gonna have this for dinner tonight. Yeah guys, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I plan to make my vlogs more regularly. I want to upload more regularly. I want to upgrade my equipment, so I'm planning to do that soon, so stay tuned for that. And please do show some love by liking, subscribing and sharing my videos. That would mean a lot. Anyways, thank you and good night.